Welcome back. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from any image for free. So let's get straight into it. So first of all, you want to go to remove.bg, and this is the site that you'll be taken to. And then from here, you simply need to upload the image that you want to remove the background for. So I have downloaded 3 different images, which I'm going to use as an example. I've got an image of an iPhone, so you can see it remove the background for a product. Then I have an image of a cake so that you can see how it removes the background from images of food. And finally, I have an image of people so that you can see how quickly and easily this tool removes the background from images of people. So first I will upload the image of the iPhone. So I'll click this upload image button and I'll select this image of the iPhone. And there we go. It has instantly removed the background for this image. You can download your new image by clicking on these buttons over here. And now I'm going to upload the image of the cake. There we go. The background has instantly been removed. And finally, I will upload the image of people. And once again, within seconds, the background has been removed. So once your image has had its background removed, all you need to do is click the download button. And then you can easily download your image. So now that it's been downloaded, I will open this image up. And as you can see, we have the picture of the cake with the background removed. So there we go. That is how easy it is to remove the background from any image. Once again, this website is called remove.bg, and it will instantly remove the background from any image that you upload. So that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks and goodbye.